You cannot build a future on a foundation of self-hatred. Every dollar you earn while carrying the weight of past financial mistakes is a dollar spent on penance instead of progress. Shame is not a strategy, it is a tax on your potential. If you are trying to budget your way out of guilt, you will fail. You must forgive your past self before you can fund your future. Welcome to Green Thoughts. If looking at your bank account triggers a physical response of dread, or if you avoid opening bills because of the shame attached to them, you are not alone. We treat money as math, but it is actually emotion. We are confronting the paralyzing guilt of past fiscal failures by dismantling the psychological barriers preventing long-term stability. Today, we replace reactive panic with a cold, disciplined assessment of debt and net worth. Consider the cycle of shame. You make a financial mistake, perhaps you overspent, perhaps you invested poorly, or perhaps you simply waited too long to start. The mistake happens and then the shame kicks in. You tell yourself you are irresponsible. You tell yourself you are bad with money. This identity shift is dangerous. When you believe you are the problem, you stop solving the problem. You avoid looking at the numbers. You hide the statements. This avoidance creates a vacuum where interest compounds and opportunities vanish. The shame does not protect you from future mistakes, it guarantees them. You are operating from a place of fear, not strategy. This is why we must replace panic with a cold, disciplined assessment. You need to look at the damage without flinching. This is not about judging the person you were, it is about assessing the situation you are in. When you remove the emotion, the numbers become manageable. Debt is just a sequence of payments. A low net worth is just a starting point. When you stop treating your finances as a report card on your morality, you regain the cognitive capacity to fix them. You move from hiding to hunting. You stop apologizing to your bank account and start directing it. By auditing our emotional triggers, we forge a resilient wealth strategy rooted in radical self-forgiveness rather than perpetual, exhausting penance. Ask yourself why you spent. Was it loneliness? Was it status? Was it fear? When you understand the trigger, you can build a guardrail. Forgiveness is not letting yourself off the hook. It is freeing up the energy required to hold the line. You cannot drive forward while staring into the rearview mirror. The energy you spend beating yourself up over yesterday's losses is energy stolen from tomorrow's gains. Wealth requires the clear mind. It requires the ability to make decisions based on reality, not regret. When you forgive yourself, you stop sabotaging your success because you feel you don't deserve it. You align your actions with your goals instead of your guilt. You build a strategy that assumes you are capable of change, not condemned by history. This is how you break the cycle. This is how you build meaningful wealth. If you are ready to release the weight of the past, subscribe to Green Thoughts. We are here to build clarity, not shame. Hit the like button if you needed this permission to move forward. And I want you to be honest in the comments. What is one financial mistake you need to forgive yourself for to move forward? Write it down. Let it go. Build your future.